Gonna be an exhausting day. So our muffler fell off. We bought this Flow Effects stainless steel muffler by Flowmaster. It's a 3-inch straight through design. So we're going to weld this on, build a turn down, and see how it goes. Okay, so here is what I have. I have a new piece of 3-inch. This is just something I dug out of the shed. It's the aluminized pipe. But story of my life, it's too short. So here's what I got to work with. I have an old resonator. It's actually the same brand as what we're putting on the for the muffler. So it's a Flowmaster Flow FX resonator, 3-inch. So I'm going to take that, weld that on the end there. I got a little turn down I'm going to make after the muffler. So the muffler is going to go here, and then we're going to do a little turn down, redo the hangers, and then we got a new exhaust. Take-itty-boo.